Hi everyone, today we are working on your 10-6, 10-7 review, and we're going to do question number 4. Question number 4 says, find the surface area for the following figure. Leave your answer in terms of pi. The pi symbol is already included in the answer blank, so you don't need to type in that number. If needed, round the number you enter in the blank to the nearest tenth. All right, remember your formula for surface area for a sphere is SA equals 4 pi r squared. So we just need to figure out what our radius is. Right now they give us our diameter. They tell me it's 18. That equals d. Remember, your radius equals your diameter divided by 2. So if I do 18 divided by 2, I get 9 as my r value. So we're going to go ahead and plug that into my formula. We're going to do 4 pi times 9 squared. I'm going to go ahead and square 9 first. So I get 4 pi times 81. And then the last thing I need to do is multiply 4 by 81. So I'm going to do 4 times 81, and I get 324. So my final answer would be 324 pi. Again, when you type this into your blank, you just need to do the number before pi. You don't need to multiply anything else. So you would just type in 324, and that would be your final answer.